I'll give you a tour. You're gonna love it here.
First, I'm trying blonde. What can I say? I mean, I did that. Period, poop. Wait. Okay, poop, period. Hi, sis Florence. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm back with another wig review. Remember, my wig series is happening. Yes. And today, I am reviewing this hair from Amazon. The vendor is Tabeway hair. It is their 13x6 ombre blonde synthetic lace front straight. First off, I already took out the thing. It has a lot going on, okay? First off, I don't like that it has a lot of tangling going on. Like, I would brush it and put it down, and then I pick it up, tangle again. So, I'm going to make you watch how I install this wig, because they tend to ask me a lot how I put my synthetic wig on my head. So, I'm just going to make you watch me install this on my head, from cleaning my head, putting the glue, and yes, I use regular lace front glue, but with synthetic wig, it don't stick that fast like a lace. I don't know, maybe the lace are different. And then I have to tie an elastic band on it, and then it does its magic. And you might see me looking right here because it's my mirror, so I need it to be successful. So this wig was $41.90. So if you like it and you're interested in it, I will have it linked down below. So make sure and check my description box. And stay tuned because I got a lot more synthetic wig review coming up with colors. So if you're on a budget and you don't want to spend that moolah on expensive hair, I got you. I'll be a test dummy, period. If you like what you see, you get it. If you don't, save your money, sis. So with that being said, let's hop into this. I'm done struggling with this hair. Oh my god. So let me go ahead and give that a review before you see the struggles of how this transpired. Okay, I had to put a lot of work in. First off, this hair, I'll give it because you know I'm rating them out of 10. I'll give this hair a 4 out of 10 because I had to put so much work into it. A 4 out of 10 because it has a tangling problem. Like, I have to like travel with a brush, I guess, if I was to stand right now. See that? No, like I try putting mousse on it, I try flat iron it, and it's just like difficult. You can wear the hair, you can make it work, but you just gotta carry a brush with you or a comb because this hair do not want to participate at all. But anyways, other than that, I like the length of this hair because it's long. The roots that it came with, yes, it was like, you know, dark, but then it wasn't like this, so I had to do my own thing. Yes, I'll give this hair like 4 out of 10 because I had to put a lot of work into it. Like, Jesus Christ. And mostly, you know, it's not that bad to put work into it because you tweak any hair to get it how you want, but it's the fact that it likes to tangle. Like, why? No, that is like unacceptable. It tangles so much. Like, you know, there's some synthetic hair. It don't feel like synthetic. Like, look at it right now. But this hair, like, this is like some coarse play. You know how to cut a coarse play for your Halloween outfit? So that's why I feel like it's going on here because I had to put too much work in to look this good. But other than that, if you want a blonde hair for dark skin, this is it for you. You just have to tweak it the way I did, and you're gonna watch that. Give this video a thumbs up. Give this video give this video a thumbs up for more synthetic hair wig review. And if you like how I did this video by styling the hair on camera so you can know how I achieved exactly the look I did, give it a thumbs up so I can do that with the upcoming videos. You know, you feel me? Okay, and tell me what you think about this hair. Like, rate it, sis. Rate it. Tell me what you think. Like, what? Oh, I got a new tattoo, y'all. Whipping. Yeah. So remember, if you like this hair and you would like to order, it will be down below. It's Amazon wig. I put my work into it, sweat and tears and blood. But other than that, I like it. I'm gonna be wearing it at the house today. But it's my first time trying blonde hair. It look, you know, it look pretty good. I mean, love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. I will see you in my next wig review because they all came in the mail. Like, they're just in packages right there, and it's just like I'm overwhelmed because I never thought it was all gonna come out at the same time. It's just like, if you follow me on Instagram, make sure you follow me on Instagram because that's where I ask you what color hair review I want to see next. So this was the color. So tune in for my next post asking you which wig review do y'all want to see tomorrow, because I do a wig review a day because I'm off. I don't have work. I have free time. I'm here, sis. I'm here. But yeah, with that being said, love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.